Imagine homes where intelligent robotic assistants can help with daily tasks, folding laundry, handling food, or cleaning up after a meal. These capabilities are not only convenient for busy families, but absolutely essential for elderly care, healthcare, and home services in aging societies. But here's the challenge. Most of the objects in these environments, clothes, cables, food, packaging, are deformable. They bend, wrinkle, stretch, and that makes them incredibly difficult for robots to manipulate. To build truly helpful domestic robots, we need systems that can understand and interact with non-rigid materials, while adapting to human needs and intentions. This workshop focuses on exactly that: the perception, decision-making, and control needed to enable robots to skillfully manipulate deformable objects in complex dynamic settings. It's a crucial step toward making real-world service robots both intelligent and truly useful. ROmado offers a unique platform that brings together a truly interdisciplinary and inclusive community. We are combining expertise in robotics, machine learning, perception, and simulation, all focused on the challenges of deformable object manipulation in real-world settings. What also makes this workshop special is our strong emphasis on diversity and representation. Among the organizers and invited speakers, we are proud to feature leading female researchers who are pushing the boundaries of this field. We want ROmado to be a welcoming space for young researchers, especially female researchers, to connect, share ideas, and be inspired. And we've included interactive elements like a panel session to encourage open dialogue and collaboration across career stages and backgrounds. If you are passionate about bringing robots into real human environments, homes, hospitals, care centers, then ROmado is where you need to be. Whether you're working on tactile sensing, reinforcement learning, simulation, or large foundation models, there's space for your ideas here. We welcome technical submissions, demos, and active participation from researchers at all levels. So, if you are coming to IRAS, don't miss ROmado. We'd love to see you there.